Hello, guys. Oops, wait. Can we talk about how I didn't think a chair would change my whole work from home life? But here we are. So, as you know, I've been working from home for a while now, and you know that phase where you're like, okay, kahit ano upuan lang muna until your back starts filing complaints. Yeah, that was me. Then I got this Expanse velvet gaming chair in pink, my favorite color. And first of all, can we just appreciate how cute she is? Like, velvet pink, hello, it matches my whole soft girl workspace aesthetic. Hindi ko sure sa soft girl. But the real reason I kept it is not the color. It's the comfort talaga. Of course, number one, it's actually supportive. My lower back finally feels like it's being respected talaga. Number two, the armrest, perfect height. Hindi siya awkward. And na-adjust pa siya talaga. Tignan nyo naman. And number three, it reclines. So when I need my 5-minute mental health break, I lean back and pretend I'm not at work. Ganun! And the velvet, I thought it would be hot or sticky, but no, it's soft, breathable, and doesn't feel cheap at all. Also, this is technically a gaming chair, but let's be honest, it's now a working from home girly chair, a doom scrolling chair, a Netflix chair, and sometimes a snacky chair. I sit here for hours editing, answering emails, planning content, and I don't get that stiff, cranky feeling anymore. So, ayun lang. Back to work na muna ang girly nyo. Babush!